bitsy spider went up the water spout.
In Oklahoma, each year 150 to 200 babies are born with some degree of hearing loss. For those families who choose listening and spoken language for their little ones, the Hearts for Hearing preschool is the perfect transition into mainstream education.
They're able to be in this nice, comfortable setting when they're 3, get used to the group environment, and we've really seen it be a beautiful springboard for when they're 4 and go into the pre-K for them to be as successful as they can be in that environment.
Okay, I need my friend Molly.
Speech pathologists and auditory verbal therapists team teach alongside early childhood educators. The class is a small group of mostly deaf toddlers. This year, all but 2 have hearing difficulties.
Ready? We're gonna tear it open.
Pretend play, craft time, and snack. 2 mornings a week. The focus here is language, with a healthy dose of inspiring confidence and independence.
Pouring in the milk.
And if we can work those kinks out and pour all that we can into them at this age, they're going to be their academic career is going to be so much easier.
Jude Hunt was diagnosed at birth, profoundly deaf in both ears.
His language is it's just amazing to us. Every day we are just so amazed at what he can say and what he can tell us and what he can understand.
3-year-old Annie Billingsley is learning her words are powerful and they are tied to action. Pretty amazing considering Annie lived without sound for the first 15 months of life.
Her language and spoken language is so clean and so articulate that without people seeing a cochlear implant on her ear, that they really don't know that my daughter's profoundly deaf.
Hearts for Hearing is committed to providing hope for every family in need.